Well, look what came in early. Hey y'all, it's April. Thanks for stopping by my Crazy Creative Life. I got in my August 2026 curated bead box. So, you ready to see? Champagne and bronze. So, let me go ahead and open the box and get everything situated, and I'll be right back. Ooh, at first glance, it's really going to be really pretty. Okay, so let's go ahead and get on into this. So, the first one, we have 10mm champagne crackle glass bead, and I do believe that is this one on an 8-inch string. And that looks like that's what that is, and that is really, really pretty. I didn't get my big lights out, y'all. I didn't really feel like it, so hopefully this is showing pretty good. I ain't feeling hot. I got a bad tooth, and then I got an antibiotic today, and that antibiotics made me sick, but my tooth's hurting. But I seen that come in the mail, and I was like, no, I'm going to do this. I want to go ahead and get it on out there. But anyway, isn't that pretty? Number 2, 10mm latte glass pearl beads on an 8-inch string. See, it says 10mm. Must be this, because I think this is our only 2 10mm. That's pretty too. But latte glass pearl beads. Number 3, we're down to 8mm now. We have 8mm brown and turquoise spotted marble bead. Let me re-say that. 8mm brown and turquoise spotted marble style glass bead on a 10-inch string, and that is these. We've had these before, and I think they're pretty. Almost has a fall vibe to this kit. Let me get one more light. That is a little bit, I think that may have helped a little bit better. Number 4, 8mm lemon quartz gemstone bead on a 7 to 8-inch string. I don't know that I've seen lemon quartz. I like that. And if some of you are shocked by that statement and don't really know, I'm fairly new to jewelry making, so there's going to be stuff out there that I've never seen before. And lemon quartz is one of them. Okay, next we're down to 6mm. We have a 6mm slate glass pearl bead. Okay, this is where it's going to start getting confusing here. We've got slate glass pearl bead, drizzled bronze glass bead, light brown. Okay, this is the light brown crackle. Then we've got a beige jasper. Hey, as I'm sitting there arguing with myself, I think this is it. 6mm slate glass pearl bead. No, it's got to be this one, because this is a pearl bead. First, let me see how big of a string it is. A 16-inch string. Yeah, okay. This is a bigger string. Yeah, that's it. Okay, sorry. Slate glass pearl bead. Okay, now we got it right. I do like that color. And these browns, they'll go with a lot of stuff. But see what I mean? I mean, which we ain't even got all the way through it yet, but what I mean by fall vibe. Okay, next is 6mm drizzled bronze glass bead, and I'm pretty sure it's this one. And there's your orange. But, because I think we've had this before too. Okay. Next, we have a 6mm light brown crackle glass bead, and that would be this one. So this was our champagne crackle glass, and this is our light brown. Next, we have 6mm beige jasper gemstone. Yeah, that's this one. Isn't that pretty? I love the feel of gemstone. Or of jasper. Okay, now, oh, we got one more of 6mm. It is 6mm Tiger's Eye gemstone beads on a 7 to 8 inch string. The Tiger's Eye feels good too. I think I just like the feel of gemstones, period. They're just cool and they smooth. They just feel good to your skin. Tiger's Eye is pretty, if you can see. See if I can get it to... See, it almost looks like a cat's pupil. You know how they're elongated. Anyway, you can really see that one, I think. Can you see that one? Yeah. Okay. Next, we're down to our 4mm. We've only got one. It's 4mm dark brown crackle glass beads. So we've got quite a bit of crackle glass this time. And that is A-okay with me. I love my crackle glass. And this is on a big old string, 16 inch. Then we have 6mm metal gold bead caps. They've done a real good job this month on these. There's our bead caps. Then we have a 6mm metal gold. Wait a minute, am I reading that right? Approximately 30 was the first one. Here's some bead caps, approximately 25. I may have got it mixed up, but anyway, here's two different styles of bead caps. Then we have 8mm metal gold spacer beads, approximately 15. These are pretty. They're different. Almost, in a way, almost makes you think of a canteen, kinda. That is really pretty. I haven't seen any like this. I really like that. Okay, then where are we at here? We have a 30 by 16mm rose gold metal pendant. Oh, I love me some rose gold. That's my favorite metal, or my favorite gold anyway. I don't see it. Look at that. 8mm metal gold. Where did I see that? 30 by 16 rose gold metal pendants too. Is that these? And then there's oh, y'all. It's metal pendants in the shape of a rose. It's It's not rose gold. It is a rose pendant. Okay, I got excited over that rose gold, which rose gold would have been pretty with this too. Then we have a 30 by 16 millimeter abstract gold metal pendant. Oh, I feel silly. Those are cute too. And then, of course, with Curated Bead Box, let me move this out of the way, they always give you a Findings Starter Kit, because that way you can go ahead and get started. As long as you got the tools, you can get started on making whatever. See, we've got some beading wire, we have head pins, we have ear wires, got our lobster clasp, there's the crimp tubes for the beading wire, there is jump rings, elastic wire, and that is memory wire. So anyway, that is it. Oh, like I said, I wanted to just jump on here real quick since I got it early, and that way we can get it out early. So this, and I really do like this. I really like this month's. But this is August 2026 Curated Bead Box Champagne and Bronze. And I really like this kit. So I'm not going to make anything with it. Probably not for the next couple of days. But we will get something made here fairly soon. I'm still hoping where this is July. I said at the beginning of July I wanted to do some kind of a Christmas in July. And I don't know. It's just, I guess it's just been a busy month. So I'm hoping tomorrow or the next day do something Christmas in July. But if not, then, oh well, I just missed it for this month. But, you know, you've got vacations and 4th of July. And then we have a ton of birthdays in July in my family. A ton. And it just seems like there's a lot going on in July. So, I don't know. That's probably the reason. But anyway, I'll shut up now. So, I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, for the very last time, that is July 2026 Curated Bead Box Champagne and Bronze. And I will be back soon with something made with this pretty stuff. And thanks for hanging out with me and watching with me. Or watching me, not watching with me. I guess you're watching me. But anyway, I love you guys. I'll shut up now. And I hope y'all have a blessed rest of your day. And I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye. Hey, if you like this video, you may want to check out my previous video or my previous series. Talk to you soon.